In this video, we're going to show you how to change your settings on your SCT4000E vertical contact toaster by Star. As you notice, the unit's currently on and out of preheat, and you can see that you have your settings for your buns here on the display. To change between the settings, what you're going to do is, if you're on bun 2 and you want to be on bun 3, you're going to change to bun 3 with your up and down buttons. Okay? You're going to want to change your front and your back to whatever bun setting you want. Once you have it on the bun you want, if you want it lighter or darker, what you want to do is use your lighter, darker features down here at the bottom. If they want it toasted a little darker, you hit the darker button. Now make sure you do it for both of them. After you run the one bun through and you want to go back to your normal settings, you actually have to bring it down to the center line. To change the speed of your conveyors, you're going to hold the setting button down here on your control board and you'll get to the setup. To change between products, if you don't want to change bun 3, you're going to scroll through the up and down arrows here. Okay? You can see it's changing between products. To actually change the speed, it's the toast time. You're going to hit the up button to make the conveyor slower, which makes the buns darker, or you're going to hit the down button, which makes the conveyors faster and makes the buns lighter. Once you have the correct setting that you want, to get out, you just hit the settings button, and that will save your programming. Next, we're going to change the temperature of the whole unit. So you can only have one temperature settings for every bun. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the settings button and the up, darker, right button at the same time. Once you do that, the plate temperature will come up. To scroll through the temperatures, you can push the up button and the down button. Once you have your desired temperature, you can save it by hitting the settings button. To change your product's name, you hold the settings button. You'll remember this for the setup of your toast time, but this is also how you change your product's name. To change your product's name, you're going to hit the down darker button and it will come up. Once it's up, to change each letter, you'll hit the up and down button and you'll be able to access the alphabet and numerics. To actually change from one space to the next is the up and down button here. You can actually go through them and you can actually name these whatever you want. To save it, once you have your product name, you just hit the settings button. And then hit it again to get out of your setup. At the end of the night, to clean your machine, you're going to want to put this into cool down mode. To put it into cool down mode, you're going to hold the settings button and these two bottom buttons at the same time. Once you do that, your unit will go into a 15-minute cool down. It will continue to run but shut off the heater. Once the 15 minutes up, your unit should be able to be cleaned. If you have any problems setting your settings, you want to call the 800 number at 1-800-264-7827. In the next video, we'll actually show you how to clean the unit.